Good morning, class 1. A very happy new year to all you wonderful children. I hope you are fine and you have enjoyed your holidays. Now, children, today we will start a new chapter, that is lesson number 6, Computer Mouse, on page number 39. So, in this lesson, what we are going to study? Mouse, a computer device. I am sure you all must have seen a mouse. Then mouse buttons means its various buttons, mouse pointer, how to use it, and drag and drop. What is the meaning of drag and drop in terms of mouse when we relate it to mouse? So I hope, not I'm not hoping, I'm sure that you all must have seen the mouse somewhere. And even if you have not seen, I will show you practically as well. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Can you tell what is a mouse? So, how do we know the mouse? Mouse is an animal also, and usually, if we ask somebody, then they will respond that it is. We have seen a small animal which runs very fast and is very difficult to catch. Okay, so but we are not talking about that mouse here. We are talking about this mouse. Mouse is a computer part used for navigation on a computer screen. Means it is a computer part which we use in what way? For navigating on the computer screen. If this is the screen of the computer, then for searching different things, for moving from different place from here and from here to there, we use this mouse. Okay, so it is used for the navigation on the computer screen. Remember, mouse can be used to give commands to the computer. Means we can also give commands. It is not just for using for navigating, it is also used for giving commands to the computer. Like we can use keyboard also for giving the commands. Mouse is used for selecting and pointing icons on the computer screen. Means for different applications. Icons means different applications where we work on the computer. So mouse is used for selecting them and for pointing them, means which application we want to use. It also helps you to draw pictures and play games on the computer screen. Means we can draw picture using mouse and we can also play games using mouse. For these two functions, it is like kind of compulsory to use mouse because you cannot work without them. Mouse is attached to the CPU because all the parts are attached to the CPU and only then they will function. So mouse is also attached to the CPU with a long wire that looks like a tail, and that is why this name is given to this, because when this long wire is attached to the mouse, it looks like a tail of this small part, and it is probably the smallest part of the computer, so it looks like a mouse. Then mouse button. A mouse generally has three buttons: left button, middle button and right button. Here you can see this is the picture of the mouse, and there are so many types of mouse available in the market. So not necessarily that you must have seen this mouse, you might have seen some other mouse. So but we will be studying in general. So a mouse generally has three buttons. This is the right button towards the right side, this is the left button towards the left side, and in between these there is a middle button. It has a ball or a glowing light under it. Means under it, if we will turn it upside down, we can see a ball, or it can work on the light also, that is optical mouse. A mouse may have a small wheel in place of the middle button. Here you can see a small wheel, and usually these days we have a scroll wheel mouse only. We don't have middle button in them. So may have a small wheel in place of the middle button. It is known as scroll wheel. The mouse having a scroll wheel is known as the scroll mouse. So when a mouse is having this wheel, we call it a scroll mouse. And scroll wheel is used generally for moving from one page to another in a long document. It is very useful in that regard. Now, computer manners. Do not eat or drink near a computer or on a computer table, because the real mouse can trouble the computer then. Okay, if you will eat or drink, then you will make it dirty, make that place dirty, and then the mouse can or rats can come to that place. So to avoid that problem, please do not do this. Okay, now today we have studied till here. Please do a reading of it and also prepare for your unit test thoroughly. Okay, so we shall meet in the next period. Take care. Bye bye.